Daniel 7:25. Daniel 7 ayat 25. Daniel 7:25. Who likes to change things? And he shall speak great words against Most High. Dia akan memuja, kan? Dan dia akan apa lagi? 75. And shall wear out the saints, menganiaya umat Tuhan, and shall think to change. Time is low. Jadi siapa punya karakter untuk rubah-rubah? Kepausan. Dia mau rubah-rubah. Let's go to Genesis. Let's go to Genesis. Verse 31. Kejadian 1 ayat 31. And then we'll start our service. It's happening before our very eyes, guys. It's happening. And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was not very good yet. It was
Good.
very good. Don't add, don't take away my creation. God says it was perfect. And then Satan said, what? You don't really die. There you go. That's the first change. You don't really die. He just add one word, right? Jadi persis sekali yang Roger bilang, kalau kita nggak baca, kalau kita nggak baca sendiri, kita akan main terima saja. Kalau kita nggak baca sendiri, kita akan main terima karena kedengarannya bagus, kan? Kedengarannya it sounds good, and yet it's so wrong. You're not really gonna die. Oh, that sounds good, and yet it's totally wrong. Totally wrong. Right? Okay. I'm sure we're gonna talk more about that next time. About Trinity. So thank you, Roger. Roger is doing research on that part. So he's gonna share with us more of those. Let's start our Sabbath school. Happy Sabbath. Let's start our Sabbath school. And this is part 2, the poor in spirit, yang miskin dalam hal kerohanian. Diberkatilah orang yang miskin dalam kerohanian, betul? Blessed are those who are poor in spirit, right? Right? Betul nggak? Diberkatilah orang yang miskin kerohaniannya, betul?
Belum langsung diberkati.
Harus
sadar.
Diberkatilah orang yang menyadari bahwa dia miskin dalam kerohanian. Ujilah segala sesuatu. Memang kedengaran benar, kan? Berkatilah kalau miskin kerohanian. Oke, kalau gitu lebih miskin lebih bagus dong. No, berkatilah kalau kamu menyadari bahwa kamu miskin. Karena nggak bisa diberkati, you're not gonna be blessed if you don't recognize your condition, right? And are we all in this condition?
Yes.
Okay. So when we think we're not in this condition, no blessing to you or me. Jadi the blessing ialah untuk orang yang menyadari kondisi Laodikia. Okay, now part 2. We're gonna go part 2. Yeah. So we're gonna pass it around. I'm gonna ask George, but he's squeezing there as well. Oh, really? This, okay. I'm glad I printed more because I was expecting to make more. So this is the poor in spirit, part 2. We'll probably have 5 parts on the poor in spirit. The poor in spirit, part 2. Okay? Yang menyadari kemiskinan kerohaniannya, orang itu diberkati. Tapi dia diberkati kalau dia menyadari dan mau merubah. Dia nggak diberkati kalau dia sadari dan dia nggak berubah. Jadi berkatnya ialah untuk merubah dia. So the blessing is to those who recognize and wants to do something about it. Oh, blessing doesn't come to those who recognize and are satisfied with their condition. There's no blessing. The blessing is to change their character, right? Okay. No, semua.
Everybody got one already?
No, we had no extras.
You can give it to Alicia.
Okay. Some oh, okay, thanks. Yeah. There you go. Oh, we get that. Okay, semua sampai belakang sudah? Oh, okay. Mari kita mulai. I think I just saw that. Okay. Okay, mari kita mulai. Mari kita buka apa yang membuat Yesaya menyadari kondisinya, betul? Karena di Yesaya 6 Isaiah 6, when Isaiah saw the what?
Vision.
When Isaiah saw the holiness of God, waktu Isaiah melihat betapa sucinya Tuhan, langsung dia menyadari dia punya apa? Condition. Jadi dia menyadari setelah dia lihat vision, right? Setelah dia lihat vision, baru menyadari, right? Right. Okay. Semua oke, bisa follow? Atau masih lagi organize di punya paper semua? Make sure semua sudah organize paper and then we can move on. Okay. Alright. Okay? Alright. Sekarang mari kita lihat Yesaya 6 ayat 3, 4 dan 5 bagian pertama. 5a. Ayo, 5 bagian pertama. Okay. Mari kita lihat Yesaya 6 ayat 3, 4 dan 5. Let's open Isaiah 6 verse 3, 4 and 5. Anybody wants to read? Yesaya 6 ayat 3, 4, 5. Nathan wants to read? Okay.
And one cried unto another and said, Holy, holy, holy.
Okay, isn't this the song? Holy, holy, holy,
Yeah.
right? Okay. You know what? Going back to Trinity, how come the holy is 3 times?
Father,
Because
Son,
there are
Holy
3. So, if they want to completely change, they should just say holy. But the fact that say holy, 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 that's gonna really mess up the song, right? So, holy, 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 karena ada 3 satu. Right? Jadi, itu holy, holy, holy is the Godhead. That means you cannot add the word Trinity because itu namanya oxymoronic. Bilang 3, holy, 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 tapi Trinity. Okay? Jadi ini dia. Waktu saya lihat holy, 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 dia lihat apa? 3. Dia lihat 3, dia lihat 1, dia lihat 3. Makanya dia bilang holy, holy, holy. Itu dia, oke? Okay? Holy, holy, holy is the Lord of hosts. The whole earth, seluruh bumi diisi dengan dia punya apa? Glory. So when Isaiah saw the holiness of God, right? And what did he see? The whole earth. Oh, I might have to have the board there. Probably, thank you. The whole earth is, jadi kita bayangkan, seluruh bumi diliputi oleh apa? Kemuliaan Tuhan, the glory. So just imagine this is the world and it's covered with what?
Holiness.
Glory.
Glory.
We're gonna text, right? So remember, because Isaiah saw this, karena Isaiah ini baru dia menyadari dia punya kondisi kan? Once Isaiah saw the what? The whole earth is covered with His glory. His glory, okay? Okay. Oh, okay.
It's okay, I'll do it.
Okay, thanks. Okay, and then verse 4. Let's read verse 4. Nathan. Jadi kita ikuti ya, word by word. We're gonna follow this text, okay? Itu dia.
And the post of the door moved at the voice of him that cried, and the house was filled with smoke.
Okay, when the whole earth is filled with the glory, the house is full of what?
Smoke.
Smoke. Sabi Daniel? So,